So welcome back. I'm El Sam. I make maths make sense. Today we'll be solving WAEC problems, or WAEC past questions. So this is question 11A. It says, given that P equals to this matrix that has 2, 4, minus 9, 1, and Q equal to this matrix that has 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Find PQ plus 2Q. Now, if you are given straight lines like this, it means you are to get the determinant as the value of P and the determinant of this as the value of Q. So take note, if you are given P equal to 2, 4, minus 9, and 1, definitely you multiply the two matrices. But with straight lines like this, you get the determinant. So let's go. So P will be equal to 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 times minus 9, that's minus 36. So this will give us 2 plus 36, which is 38. And for Q, to find the determinant of Q, we have 1 times minus 2, which is minus 2, minus 1 times 3, that's minus 3. This will give us minus 2 plus 3, which is what? 1. Minus 2 plus 3, that's 1. So the question says find PQ plus 2Q. So PQ will be equal to P times Q, that's 38 times 1, which is 38. 2Q will be 2 times Q, which is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So PQ plus 2Q will give us PQ 38 plus 2Q 2, that gives you 40. And that's our answer to question 11A for WAEC 2025. So still solving West African Senior School Examination question 11B for 2025. The question says, a bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls, all of the same size. If the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball, find the number of white balls in the bag. Okay, so we know that the bag has red balls and white balls, right? So we have red 8, white, let's call that X. So let the number of white balls be X. So your sample space or total possible outcome will be 8 plus X. The total number of balls available in the bag will be the sum of the red and the white. So 8 plus X, that's 8X. Now what's the probability of picking a red ball from the bag? Probability of picking a red ball will be 8 over the sample space, which is the total possible, which is 8 plus X. Now what's the probability of picking a white ball from the bag? Probability of picking a white will be the number of white. The number of white balls is X out of the total, which is 8 plus X. Now the question says that if the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball from the bag, so probability of picking white equals the probability of picking red. So they say the probability of picking white is half the probability of picking red. So half the probability of picking red will be equal to the probability of picking white. I hope that makes sense to you. It says if the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag, of drawing white, is equal to half the probability of drawing a red ball. So I hope this makes sense now. So if it does, probability of picking white, which is x over 8 plus x, will be half probability of picking red, which is 8 over 8 plus x. Okay, so this 2 here can cancel, 2 here, 4. So what we'll have is x over 8 plus x equal to 4 over 8 plus x. Okay, for me I'll just cancel the 8 plus x equals to 4. But if you prefer to cross multiply, which is recommended, let's do that. So x, let me come up here. So x times 8 plus x is equal to 4 times 8 plus x. Now if we divide both sides by 8 plus x over 8 plus x, this will cancel this. X will be equal to 4. This will also cancel, so x will be equal to 4. So it says find the number of white balls in the bag. So there are 4 white balls in the bag. So that's question 11. So drop your comment in the comment section if you want me to continue solving these problems. So you want to see the solutions to all the questions, drop it in the comment section and you would have it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video. Peace out.